The marks obtained by the topper of Endeavour in QA, EU, and DI are respectively 93 out of 100, 78 out of 150, and 177 out of 200. Find out his average score in percentage. Now, average score in percentage will be equal to total marks scored upon total marks into 100. Now, the total marks scored are 93 plus 78 plus 177, and the total marks are 100, 150, and 200. Now, 93 plus 78 plus 177 comes out to be 348 upon 100 plus 150, that is 250 plus 200, that is 450 into 100. So 0 gets cancelled out. 5 nines are, 5 twos are. So solving this, we get the answer as 77.33%.